What's up, guys? This is Carter Thomas, and today I want to talk to you about using Facebook Messenger for getting app downloads. Some of you guys may have seen Facebook Messenger in the marketing world, in the news. If you don't know what Facebook Messenger is, there's about 1 billion people using it. It is the messaging platform within Facebook. And what's happening now is that there's things called bots, which allow you to create marketing automation and broadcasts within your Facebook page. Meaning, people will message your Facebook page and then you can communicate to them kind of like an email autoresponder sequence, right? So they can comment on your ads and they can automatically send an email, and then you can have this kind of segmentation and lots of different fun stuff that's going on. This is an evolving market, lots of new things coming out each day. However, anytime there's some new marketing tactic or strategy out there, I think it's important, it always gets everyone's attention, right? And I think it's important to discuss what this means for you, the app developer, the app entrepreneur, somebody who's interested in getting into the app business. Here's what I would tell you about Facebook Messenger. It can be very, very effective at converting and selling products. What Facebook Messenger is not that good at is marketing products, right? And that's an important distinction, right? Marketing products means that you get your app, in this case, out to hundreds, maybe even thousands of people, right? Facebook advertising is amazing for this because it helps you distribute your app very far in. What Messenger is really good at is once they come in and they can learn about your product, it allows them to ask questions, to get more information, to contact someone on the support team before they make a decision. Something like that. That is what Facebook Messenger excels at. And for you, if you're selling a 99-cent or even a free app, it doesn't make a lot of sense to be converting people or selling people on why they should be downloading your app. That's a very unsustainable business model, right? So if you're thinking about using Facebook Messenger, realize that that's what it is not only designed for, but that's what's working, right? We've used this on Bluecloud a little bit. I use this on a bunch of websites that I own, and a bunch of different brands that I own, and I've tried it on some app stuff. And what I can tell you is that Messenger is really only helpful when it comes to support for your apps. It does not help that much with making more money or with getting more people. However, there are a few examples where it does work, and those examples are when you're selling a product that has a high price point. So if you have an app that, let's say you have some navigation or a weather app, and you're selling it for $50, or a finance app, or like an education app, or something like that, $50, $75, $1,000, whatever. If you are selling a product like that, then Messenger can be very powerful because it makes sense to use a sales process to convert light leads, right? Because you're making a good amount of money off that, and it's a bigger buying decision. So if you do have a product that has a higher price point, right, I would say probably $10 or more, then Messenger can be effective because it's a communication, marketing, support, and sales channel. If you have an app that's $1.99 or 99 cents or free, Messenger, for the most part, will be a waste of your time for marketing. It can be helpful, or it is helpful for support and for communication and for letting people know, answers to questions or whatever, but you don't want to rely on it for marketing to get new people to hear about your app. So I thought that this would just be helpful for anyone in the app business, mostly because we just hear so much buzz about it, right? And I know that a lot of people who follow any sort of marketing websites or marketing communities, you've probably heard of Facebook Messenger by now, and you just don't want to miss the next big thing. And what I can tell you is that part of Bluecloud, and especially part of our community, is that I'm always testing this stuff on my apps, on my companies. I'm asking tons of people about it. I'm finding everything out I can and relaying it to you. I give really the insight, like the community we have, the private groups and the masterminds and the webinars. That's where you get all the really good insider, like case study stuff. But just so you guys know, I'm testing all this for you. So if you want to get more of this insider information, you should join our community. There's a link at the top of the website. where you can join Bluecloud Select, and there's a free trial going on right now, so you should go check it out, where you can check out everything for 2 weeks. You can get this kind of insider info, and when new things come out, you can ask questions about, hey, is this a really good marketing tool that I should be using? What's working, what's not working? That's the kind of stuff that we learn. That's the kind of stuff that you can get results from very, very quickly. It's real time, updates every week, things like that. So Facebook Messenger, it is a powerful tool, but for app marketing, it is not going to really move the needle for you unless you have a high-priced app product. Okay? Cool. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're interested in joining our community, make sure you go to bluecloudsolutions.com/join-bluecloud-select, or go to the website, there's a link at the top, and join it. We do weekly webinars, which are live Q&As, unless I don't have internet, and then I'll answer all your questions on video, and you can email them in. But pretty much every week it's live. You get access to our private group. There's about 1,600 active people in there. We got hundreds of videos, tutorials, products, source codes, everything. And there's a free trial promo going on right now, so you should go check it out. And in the meantime, I hope you all have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you soon.